Joins us live from Rocklin with more on the program.
Ken!
No, you can't have my paper airplane. I made this one myself. It's good. You can't have it. You get away from me. These kids are trying to gang up on me and take my airplane that I made. That's so awesome. Hanging out here at Parker Whitney Elementary School in Rocklin with these awesome kids in summer school. And today is the Paper Airplane Championships. We have 4 different categories, but I have some new engineers hanging out with us. That piece of sunshine right there is Mackenzie. This is Elijah. This is my man Mike, who made this massive paper airplane. All right, what is this all about?
I folded it up and then taped it together, and then in the classroom I colored it more, and then I taped my name up to here. Then I also put Captain America symbol.
That's what's going to make it special, the Captain America. All right, let me see how it flies. Let it fly. Let it go. Whoa, oh, incoming. Look out.
I got the target.
He hit the target. See, he understands there's 4 different categories. There's hang time, accuracy, distance, and all the way over there is target practice, which you have to do. All right, Elijah's got some pretty cool airplanes. All right, what do you got working here?
Okay, this is my Captain American one that does, it does barrel rolls.
Oh, let's see it. Oh, that was sweet, Elijah. All right, what about the blue one? What does that do?
This one is, sometimes it flies upside down, so most of the time it flies straight, and I guess let's see what it does.
Okay, let's see what happens.
Whoa.
I like it. It's got a little glide action to it. And I think you hit your microphone. I'm sorry. You okay?
Yeah.
All right. All right, Mackenzie. It's super colorful.
I made it look like a chicken.
It's a chicken plane.
There we go.
All right, let's see how she flies. Stick her in and see how she flies.
Oh.
It's smooth. It's got a nice little gliding action, and then it comes down. It's amazing what these kids have been doing the entire summer, and of course today, as they've been taking all these classes and going on the internet and learning about all the different ways that you can engineer a paper airplane, and then they're out here doing it today. It is so much fun, and I just had a great time hanging out with these really, really brilliant kids. My geniuses over here, my man Moses, come over here. This plane that I'm holding is actually one of the ones that Moses made, and dude, you're awesome at this. Where did you find all these great ideas, and have you made paper airplanes before?
Yeah.
You used to make them all the time?
Not all the time, but I did make some sometimes.
You got the touch. You got the power. So it's such a great day, and once again, these kids are out here learning all about aviation and engineering, and it's part of a great program here at Parker Whitney Elementary School in Rocklin. And with that, send it back to you guys. But when we come back, I'm going to take it back old school. Since we're out here on the blacktop with paper airplanes, Manly Minute today is all about 5 great old schoolyard games for kids. Get them off the couch and off the computer and get them outside. That's coming up later on, guys. We'll see you.
All right, fantastic, Ken. Thank you. As he was